Hey, what's up guys? It's AJ from Your Charge Minneapolis here. Today we've got this very unique vehicle. It's a 2020 Jaguar F-PACE SVR. So it comes with the 5-liter supercharged, I think they're 550 horse. This one, as you can see, is a little bit modified. It's got some big wheels and tires. That was done by another shop in Hudson, Tire Pros, Judd there. Did an awesome job. He's got big brakes in the front and rear. They did a sweet job of powder coating the calipers and finishing that. We took it a step further. The gentleman wanted some more power, so we added our dual pulley setup and Eurocharge tuning, as well as a little bit of nitrous. Really trick setup installation. It's all built on a bracket right there. It all sits in front. You got nitrous fuel in the purge. We got nitrous fuel pressure and all sorts of fun stuff. So it's all plumbed inside the blower, direct port injection right into the cylinders. It was custom done by Nitrous Outlet. This is the first of its kind. I'll have pictures attached so you can see what it looks like. And then right there we tapped into the fuel system for fuel supply. Again, another very trick setup that we built. The purge is right there, a little nozzle right next to the camera. So when the Jaguar mouth opens, it spews out, nitrous. So we've got the lines coming in. You can see the inlets are right there. You see the N and the F. So really trick up front. We did the supercharger pulley was actually done by Tire Pros, and we did the crank pulley and obviously our ECU tuning. So let's go to the nitrous tank mount. It's really trick, and I'll tell you, we also did something else. So here we have the setup. You'll see the single bottle. It's got remote openers, blow down tube. This is full NHRA certified. You'll see the bottle mounts to a bracket we made for the trunk. And then actually underneath it, these things right there, those are the spare calipers, the parking brake calipers. So we built a bracket to secure everything in here. All the wiring is right into the battery direct. There's a bunch of relays in the back corner. Very clean install. As you can see, there's no hokey pokey nothing in here. Let's go to the front. I want to show you the switches because it's really, really neat. So as we get in here, just a factory dash, nothing crazy. And here is the Pro-Max gauge, which I will turn on in a second. But it's wired in through the center console. But the neat thing is the switches are down in here, all hidden, as you can see. And then I'm going to turn the car on. We'll flip that switch, so that's our main power. The bottom one's going to be our bottle heater, and then we've got the red button as a purge. And there's a black button right here, which is our bottle opener. So it's all nice and hidden inside the cubby hole. Now we've got our little gauge come on, the Pro-Max unit, as it's loading up here. The other thing I'll tell you is, you might have heard it when I started it, but I'm going to roll the window down. So we did a full custom exhaust on this thing. Right now I believe we are in comfort mode. So I will go out and show what it sounds like. Got a good rumble to it. And then we will put it in competition mode or dynamic mode. And it's a little bit louder. So let's just do a quick rev. And we'll go back to comfort. Hard to tell from in the camera in the car, but there's a noticeable difference. So the Pro-Max unit, let's turn this back on. Let's see if it loads up here. There we go. So we have the T1 through T5, those are different tunes, different nitrous levels we can, or nitrous systems we can shoot. Stage will tell you the nitrous. We got a wideband we wired in, it's in the exhaust system, and then the factory fuel pressure because we tapped in the fuel line. It's showing obviously RPM. So you rev it up. There's a lot of capabilities with this Pro-Max controller that we are not tapping into. But look it up, it's a really trick system. It's a pretty neat. So we have not dynoed this in yet. The game plan is to run it here soon when the roads are nice and we can do some testing. But purrs like a kitten, or like a Jaguar, I guess. So yeah, any you guys are interested in anything like this, let us know. Definitely do it. Sorry for the long video, but there's a lot to cover. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for dyno numbers. Thanks for viewing.